My name is Alex Budilko. I'm the CEO of AJProTech. AJProTech is a product development partner that helps startups and global companies create new, innovative hardware faster. We provide one-stop solution to design and launch new products. We start very early in the process. We analyze what technologies are best for your idea. We do all the engineering, we do prototyping, and we prepare it for scale production anywhere in the world. We combine engineering expertise and entrepreneurial mindset. We've been in the business for 10 plus years, developing over 50 various products, so we can advise our clients what is best for their goals and budget. Starting from technology research, detailed engineering and manufacturing, we share our vast experience and industrial connections to provide one-stop solution for new product development. AJProTech works with innovators, whether they are a single founder startup, a small team, or a global company. As long as they have that mentality to disrupt and to create something unique, we are their trusted partner for product development. CES 2024 in Las Vegas is a main technology event of the year that has everything you need to launch your product. Get inspired looking at the innovative startups, find your partners, find your distribution, and have a lot of eyeballs looking at your product. I'm really proud of the team we built at AJProTech. When we started in 2014, we were doing kick-ass electrical engineering, the brains for the product, and worked with other companies to design mechanical and software. We quickly realized that if we want to really serve our client, we need to be one-stop. So whether mechanical, industrial design, and software, now we cover everything for new product development, from idea to production. We're always working at the cutting edge of innovation. When new technology is available, companies come to us and they need our advice, whether this technology can help them serve the needs. And we go ahead, we analyze the technology, we find the proper components for the product, and we really create products a couple years before it becomes mainstream. We work with a variety of clients. At the same time, we can build a new smartwatch and electric vehicle, and that's not exaggeration. We're a really diverse team covering the most difficult engineering problems.